Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the weekly and daily, because today the weekly candle is finished. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when you put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we give in there daily signals. The link of our Telegram and Discord is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the weekly candle here, it's finished that big red candle here. It's very bad week. Let's make it like that. A lot of people, they getting liquidated. Us here, we still got here, that one here. A trend line here is getting broke here. Should you enter short based on a trend line? Because I saw some videos of some people, the line of the people, they told them, we got 20 years of experience, blah, blah, blah. 25 years, he said. When a trend line, if you want to base your trade on a trend line, where is the last time? Is it here at the last peak? So it might from here the market to go back and to break that high here. Yes or no? Now which level you need to focus about is that level here. You see it? That level here you need to be focused about. If we are going to break into the weekly candle to come and to close below that one, if that happen, that's when we're going to see a big drop, maybe till down here or that low here. Remember that, because you got two scenarios till now. You came to that low here, that one here, as you see it, of that tail of that candle here. If we break in here, that level here, it means also we are going to go down here to 19k. Should now we be worried? Not yet. We need to wait and more, because Bitcoin fundamental, everything is looking very, 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 very great. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see the coming news for all the week. So let's go in there. The coming news for all the week, guys, that's what we got. We got exiting home sales of USA on Monday or Tuesday. We got in Wednesday a lot of things coming, building permit. By the way, all the week is going to be based on real estate in America, because real estate in America is falling down. Then we got new home sales plus crude oil inventory. Then in Thursday, we got core durable goods orders and initial jobless claim. Then in Friday was we got Jerome Powell is going to come to talk, because everything doesn't do well those days. So he need to come to talk. As you see, we got Germany GDP and Fed Chair Powell speech in Friday is going to talk at 2 o'clock. So he need to come to talk because the market is falling down, and he need to try to find a solution for that. I think picture is too clear. And here it's our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day. Look at that. US market, it started the week. The SP red, the Nasdaq red, but the Dow Jones is green today. But also we are not going to follow that, because today just the start of the week. We need to wait in tomorrow Monday candle what is going to tell us if we're going to close red. That means we are going to see a very, very, very bullish week. If we close green, that's when we're going to see a very, very, very bearish week. Everything is too clear. And down here is our friend the VIX. Currencies go back, as you see at 17, but also still below than 20, so there is nothing to be worried about. Everything still looking great. The US dollar still going up, as you see at 103. That one is very, very bad. So till now there is nothing new, guys. We need to wait and more till the right time. Now let's go into the daily to see what Bitcoin doing today in daily. So let's go in there. Here we are in the daily. Here in the daily, today we saw another green candle. As I told you, those ones the candles of sideways market. That means we don't need to follow them. Till now we got here that trend line here, as you see it, and down here we got that one here like that, as you see it. That the level me I told you need to focus about. Now, if the market give us here a price action, maybe we're going to go back up and to go back high. If the market break down here, that means also we are going to go down or something like that. that. So till now everything's still looking the same, nothing was changed here in the daily. And another thing, I show it to you, that indicator of us, it reached to oversold area, we don't need to show it to you. And here, those moving averages, those ones here, till now there is nothing new as you see it. It need either that one to go back to break here, the 200 moving average for you to start thinking of to enter long, or it's going to continue down. So till now there is nothing new guys. As you see here, the 50 moving average is showing you maybe it's going to break down. If it's break the 200 moving average, that's another story. Till now everything's still looking okay. Let's make it like that. I told you if it fall down here, that peak here, we need to buy more. Don't get scared about that dip or something. There is a big push going to come. Maybe we're going to make a correction to 20k. Then after that we're going to see a big jump. So everything till now still looking great guys. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Here, I told you, if you remember, when there is a falling knife, we don't need to catch it. It needs to bounce. And that's what the market tried to do here. He tried to bounce here and to give us here a price action. Now here, he gave us here a head and shoulder here. Very small, as you see it there. To see it very clear, you came here, you change it from candles to lines like that. And you see it here. As you see it here, you see that the first shoulder, that the head, that the second shoulder here. Yeah, now it hasn't breaking the neckline, so it's still early for you to thinking of to enter long. And even our indicator, it hasn't come out from oversold area. So till now there is nothing here. And another thing, very important here, let me show it to you. You remember those moving averages? Me, I thinking the Bitcoin is going to come to here to touch that 50 moving average or something. Then after that, we don't know what's going to happen. So if it's break here, that neckline here, and you enter long, take profit of you. The first take profit of you, it needs to be here at the 50 moving average, the simple one. Then if it go up, you collecting more. If it fall down again, that's another story. So I think picture is too clear guys here. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator guys, as you see it, it's staying down here at the oversold area, but it's showing it going out, but not yet. It needs to break here for us to start looking to buy. Till now everything is still looking downtrend, and here that the downtrend here, it's need at least that one to come to break it here for us to thinking of the market it will reverse. If it's not, there is nothing yet. You need to wait in more till the right time guys. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, as you see it, is down here at the oversold area. So technically you need to looking for buy. Told you buy now. Wait a little bit till you get a clear price action. Yes, now we got here that head and shoulder, but not yet. We need to wait more guys. At this time there is nothing. Just wait more. Everything is too clear guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now. Smash the like button, write down a comment, support us guys. You know that channel without you it can growing up. Yes, without you and the other it can growing up. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes also we just enter here along because we have here a flag. Let me show it to you because may I give you why we enter. We have here, as you see it here, a flag like that, a flag here like that, as you see it. That flag is getting broke here in that place here. As we enter along, we put in the take profit up, stop loss, we just put it down here. Because also we are in a very dangerous market those days. That's why also we don't put in stop loss too high. So now we still waiting. And now the market he give us here. If you came to those ones here, to that tail here and that one here, as you see it, that one and that one, and you connecting them together, and down here you came to that tail here and that one here. As you see it, what you got a very clear triangle here. But the good news here, let me show it to you. You remember what I used to tell you? I used to tell you we got here a downtrend like that. As you see, that downtrend is getting broke here in that place here. So it's need that one to go more higher to break for us that last high. That was I told you in the weekly, not the last high, which is that one here. As you see it, it's need at least to be broken here by a candle that's on the market to give us another high. If it's not, it's just going to be another sideways market here. So till now everything's still looking great. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. our indicator, guys, as you see it, it enter here to the overbought area. So technically also we need to looking for short level. Also we are in a very stronger level, but the price action is it that one here. If it's breaking down here, I'm going to close that long and I'm going to enter another short from here, because that's how you trade the market. Maybe we are going to go down to touch here that level, and after that market will reverse or something. But also we need to focus about Monday candles. That's the only thing I can tell you guys. So that's it for that video, guys, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.